You ready to go? Lead me on. Come on. Which way are we going? Come on. Oh, come on, cheater. Rained last night. Trails are nice and wet. Come on, I'm trying the settings that the Loam Ranger gave his audience. And man, I'll tell you what, I'm super excited to have this new camera out today. GoPro did their flash sale, and SWU is a good trail to get on to raise your heartbeat, get in nature, pick up some speed, you know. Not a lot of features, but there are some places where you could jump if you wanted to. You could do a little bunny hop. Like here, not getting a whole lot. It's not a feature, but it's just a good track. You want to raise your heartbeat, get some exercise, you know. It does like a gradual drop and then works its way back up. And there is some climbing, but it is just super pretty here. In summertime, it's beautiful and green. In about 3 months, September, October, leaves start dropping, and it does get a little bit slippery here. But you good, Kahlua? Let's go, come on. Now this trail is directional, and on odd days you ride it one direction, and that berm we just saw just now is one of my favorite directions, but I always end up biking for some reason on the days when I don't get to enjoy these berms as much as I'd like to. Whoa, and she always cuts corners. That's right. Don't tell Sorba. We tend to meet Brad at this spot right here all the time. Hey Brad. This is your spot, huh? Oh, every day?
Well, if it's still there. When it rains, it's wild.
Oh, that's cool. Let me get some video of that. That's cool. Now, why this spot? Is it just something you do?
Because you're really not supposed to change anything.
Okay.
So sand is harmless. So,
yeah.
there you go.
That's cool. Statement of faith on the trail.
There you go. Make people think.
That's right. I like how you're doing that. Come on, lead me on. We're gonna give Kahlua a break and then go for lap 2.